Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we're gonna make some famous curry chicken foot. If you never have chicken foot before, you should watch this video definitely before you try making it. Or if you had it before and it did not taste so good, definitely watch this one. So now we're gonna open the pack and we're gonna clean these chicken foot. As you can see the chicken nails on them. All right, looks like some fancy girl nail. All right, so we need to clean these. So first we're just gonna chop these off. If anything in here, you clean this too. Nails only. Now we're adding Maggi season on the chicken feet. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Also gonna add some garlic powder. Also gonna add some cool onions, mixed seasoning. This go on anything. Your jerk chicken, your curry chicken, just a little bit of this. Also gonna add a little salt. Also gonna add some oil. To this we're also gonna add some better pot curry because we're making curry chicken foot. About a teaspoon or less. Then we're gonna incorporate all of this together. So now we're gonna add some pimento to our mortar. Now we're gonna cut our peppers in small pieces. So earlier you see me cut up chili pepper. I can show it to you right here. So that's chili pepper, just a small piece, and I put some right here. Alright, so now we have lemongrass, aka in Jamaica we call this fever grass. So this have lots of flavor and nutritious benefits. So we're gonna slit it down and then we're gonna open this. We need the softer part in the middle. This is what we're gonna use. Alright, so there. Put that to the side and then we're gonna chop. Get this piece off. So now we're gonna cut our lemongrass really small. Here we're also gonna add some lemon leaf. You wanna cut this really fine. This is strong flavor, so you don't want to put too much of this. So there is our lemon leaf, really fine. Now we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic. Crush. Then we're gonna strip. Also, we're gonna add some regular ginger and some spicy Chinese ginger. Now we're gonna add all our seasonings. So that's green onion, garlic, peppers, ginger, Chinese ginger, regular ginger. Now we're gonna combine all of this together. Now our pan is hot, we're gonna pour some oil. Pour all of this chicken foot and seasoning in the pot. Then we're gonna stir. So people, I missed a very important part of this step. I should have burned some curry, so I'm just gonna add a little curry and burn. There we go. So we're just gonna mix this in and make sure this is burned properly. And that's good. Now we're gonna mix all of this together now. So now you're gonna take your lid off, let it spring that water, and then you're gonna stir. Gonna cover, let it do its thing. Now we're gonna add some water. Stir. So with the chicken foot, we're gonna serve this with some white rice. So on the stove here, I have some boiling water. I'm gonna add some salt, less than a teaspoon. And also, we're gonna add a little coconut virgin oil. There we go. If you don't have this, you can use butter. So that's our oil. And now our rice is already washed. And now we're gonna add the rice. This rice is already washed. And stir. Now we're gonna cover and allow it to cook. And this is what the finished product looks like. To this, I add fresh peppers, onion, thyme, and garlic, and a tablespoon of butter. Yeah, so we're gonna peel our plantain now. We're gonna have some sweet plantain with this. We're also gonna have some vegetable with this. So this is broccoli and peppers. Cheers. Very delicious juice. My chicken foot, first thing I'm gonna try. Delicious. Rice on the curry sauce. Let's go. Very delicious. Plantain. Thanks for watching. Cheers.